After spending 2 days at the incredibly beautiful KHAO LAK National Park, we headed to KHAO LAK on Thailand's west coast, about a 90-minute drive from KHAO LAK. On the way, Anne's cousin Tua wanted us to stop at a special temple where there's a heart-shaped mountain with a picturesque bridge leading up to it. We're in a Wat right now, and there's a bridge that leads across this place called Heart Mountain. You'll notice this beautiful heart shape on the mountain we're going to see as we walk across this bridge. The bridge is a little scary, but we're going to do it. Let's go. There's the heart up there. There's a tree in the way, but you can see the heart up there. And we're about to walk over a river. It's all dried out, which makes sense. This is summer season. Rainy season hasn't started yet. You see the heart taking shape? I love that jungle down there. Whoa! What are we gonna do in this person? I know. How are we gonna get out of this woman's way? My God!
Hold it.
I will. You hold.
Her
Okay.
and go step. Watch out,
I
huh?
see.
Hold it.
Hey, this is gonna be close. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Knocking everybody off the bridge. So funny. Here we are, we're getting a better picture of the Heart Mountain, although we're just missing the bottom of it. I think the further we go over here, the better. There's Anne posing. She's scared to death being in the middle of this bridge. One more shot of Heart Mountain. It's the best shot we'll probably get all day. See many other people taking photos here. It's a big photo opportunity in the area.
Okay, 1, 2. One more.
Good pose.
You check out. One more.
Once arriving in KHAO LAK, we were lucky to find this huge 5-star resort right on the beach. Here's one of the first of the 5 pools. This one has a great slide, which I'm definitely going to use. So we just walked into our new room in KHAO LAK, and the name of the place is
X10 KHAO LAK.
X10 KHAO LAK. Anyways, I'm following Anne, and she's going to show you around the hotel room.
So when we walk in, we have this car set right here, big car set.
Well, aren't you going to show them what's in here? Let's see what's there. Oh, we got a safe. We got umbrellas.
That's good.
Oh, look at those flip-flops. Those are nice too. I wonder whether those are on the house. Probably not.
No, you wear those to the
Okay,
beach.
to the beach. Good.
And then we have bathroom here, big bathroom. Wow.
Nice.
Big area in the bathroom.
Yeah.
We have a big mirror here. Then the bed. Nice.
Nice queen sizer.
And
Got lots of big work area too. Look at that.
Yes, and then this is our view of Aro.
Check out that pool. Oh, that's a big pool. Wow, look at that. Have to check that. There's the kids' pool over there. And then right down there is the beach. You just walk down there and there's the beach, and then we can have breakfast there every day.
Let's go to check it out the beach. And we're gonna have some drink over there.
Wait, we haven't checked out the refrigerator yet. What's in the refrigerator?
Okay. Refrigerator.
I'm hungry. And that's a nice work area. It's nice to get a place.
I think this one fits. Oh, here.
Right there. Let's open it up. Oh, it's empty. Good. There's nothing we have to pay for. Look at this bag of
mango.
This is 5 kilos we bought for only $3. That's why I love Thailand.
Now we save our mango life.
So anything else to show?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna enjoy our day here today.
Time to eat because it's 3. We haven't eaten all day, and then swimming. See you out there. You can get some of the best discounts ever here in Thailand now because of the pandemic. Ann and I are staying here for about $63 a night. And look at this place. 2 swimming pools right on the ocean. We're basically the only one here. We're sitting in the beach grill at 3 p.m. in the afternoon ordering, and nobody else is here. We got 2 waiters just for our table. Check out these swimming pools. Here's the first one. And these are the cabanas that are cabana rooms that are closest to the beach. These are the more expensive ones. We're staying 1 row back, but just very clean, very just beautiful. And you can see that we're in KHAO LAK. KHAO LAK is only developed right on the beach. If you even go 2 blocks inland, this is forest. So, and we're about an hour and a half north of Phuket. So, having fun? As I walked towards the beach, I remember that the shoreline of KHAO LAK was the hardest hit area of Thailand during the 2004 tsunami. Over 4,000 people were killed and almost 6,000 were injured. This somber thought continues as I look up and down the beach during these COVID times, and I don't see anyone except for us on the entire beach. I gotta test the water. Gotta test it. Oh, water's perfect. Perfect temperature, 85 degrees. It's about 3:30 now, and it's still really hot. I would say mid 90s. So we've already been through all the sunburns when we were in Koh Samui. So I don't want to get a sunburn today, so we're going to come back out in about 2 hours to go swimming. But it's just amazing how we have this whole beach to ourselves. There isn't a person in sight. Time to eat. So after a quick snack, it was time for me to hit the slide. The key is to slide on your back. Now KHAO LAK is the surf city of Thailand, and we're on our way to the surf beach called Memories right now. Okay, I'm taking an 8'6" out, which is a little bigger than I like, but we'll see if I can get this thing out.
Okay, let's go.
heading out. First time I've been surfing for at least 10 years, but it's small, so hopefully I can get up. Now, I wish this was me who was carving up the waves, but instead, this is me in the middle. There I am getting. And over to the side, you can see a surf school. Oh well, I tried.
You're having fun?
Having a great time, not getting much results, but I'll be back out here again soon. I'll be up carving up soon. Did you have fun watching me?
Of course.
No, did you get sunburned?
I'm getting sunburned. I'm getting darker.
Next time you're going after lessons, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So from KHAO LAK, Thailand, tomorrow we're leaving for Phuket. But I hope you'll join us, and we got more to show you today though in KHAO LAK. Saying bye to Memories Beach. So here we are in KHAO LAK, and we are at the Phang Naval Center, and they have this little memorial to the victims of the tsunami back in December 26, 2004. 33 Navy personnel were killed. This boat was obviously something probably washed ashore and heavily damaged, and they've kept it here as a memorial. And I'd like to tell you more about this this part of the memorial, but it's all in Thai. It does say list of Phang Naval Base personnel and family members who lost their lives during the tsunami in 2004. So this is our last night in KHAO LAK, and we decided to go out. It's been kind of raining this afternoon, so we decided to go out for some hot food. And we stumbled upon this restaurant called Spinach. I highly recommend this place. As you can see, we started out with some shrimp rolls, and this is, what's this called again? Chicken?
Satay?
Chicken satay. It's chicken and a peanut sauce. It's excellent. And these are just our starters. We have some main bowls coming soon. But if you are in KHAO LAK, it's right off the main road near the beach. You can get Thai food, you can get Italian food, you can get Western food. The menu's massive. The cooking here is very good, and the service is excellent. So try it, try Spinach.
My main dish is coming is spaghetti spicy seafood. Oh, delicious.
And mine's spicy Indian curry vegetables, and it smells excellent.